Your engine may be in worse condition than you think, and most drivers realize it only when it's already too late. Sign number 1, unusual metallic noises from the engine. These sounds may indicate serious internal wear. Sign number 2, blue smoke from the exhaust, often a warning of oil burning issues. Sign number 3, increased oil consumption. If your engine loses oil too quickly, pay attention. Sign number 4, loss of performance. If acceleration feels weaker, the engine may be struggling. Sign number 5, the clearest warning, the check engine light. This signal should never be ignored. If you recognize these symptoms, it may be time for an engine replacement. Trusted performance, Power Engines. PowerEngines.com